What's up, my beautiful people? It's Miss Beat to a T. If this is your first time here, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. This is the look that I'm giving you guys today. Natural look. Added a couple of beauty marks here and there. So without further ado, if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, stay tuned. So right here, I'm using one of my favorite products. It's by Maybelline. It's their Eyestudio gel liner in the shade Espresso. Doing the same thing on the other side. I'm trying to get my brows to look alike as much as possible, but not really that much focus on getting them perfect right now, because I'm going to get that nice tapered look when I apply the foundation to my eyebrows. So some of you may be like, what? Foundation to the eyebrows? Yeah, so I prefer to use foundation, a liquid foundation that is over concealer. I think for me, because of the ease when I'm working between clients, the ease of just using what I have available right there instead of having to match them up, it saves me time. And also I like the way that foundation moves around the brows. I like to create a unibrow when I'm carving out my eyebrows. This helps so one of your eyebrows won't be higher than the other one. When you're creating that unibrow, you want to drag your product all the way over and continue to carve out your other brow, and this will help them be equal and one not higher than the other. Alright, eyebrows are done. My eyes are set and ready for eyeshadow. Using my Morphe 35O Supernatural Glow Artistry palette. The first color that I'm going to be going into is Mystery. I'm going to apply that right in my crease. Being that I have hooded eyelids, I have to do just a little bit more to get the definition where my crease would be at. So that's what I'm doing right here. Going into the color Unreal, I want to add more definition to my crease, so I'm going to apply this color right above that first one. I want to tone down the foundation that I use to carve out my eyebrows, so I'm going to go into Dreamlike and do that right here, and this is also going to help blend the eyeshadow out further. Now I'm using Wildcard right in between these two colors as a transition color and to also blend out the harsh lines. And finally, I'm using Paradox on my eyelids to complete my eyeshadow. Today I'm using Too Faced Born This Way in Sable, Butter Pecan, and Spiced Rum to complete my foundation. My style of applying foundation is to mimic the skin as close as possible. All of my foundations are on. Now I'm going to go and set under my eyes and all the highlighted areas of my face using Nye's Translucent Powder in the color Topaz. Using MAC Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation in the shade NW50, I'm going to set the rest of my face. To apply my contour, bronzer, blush, and highlight, I'm going to use Morphe 8R That's Rich Face Palette. Going back into Morphe's 8R That's Rich Face Palette, I'm going to use the highlighter to touch up the color on my eyelids. I wanted to add a little more drama to my eyes, so I use a white eyeliner pencil to lighten up my tear line, and this is just going to make my eyes appear more fuller. And I'm also going to add a little loose shimmer pigment right in the inner corners of my eyes just to give it a pop. So right now I'm changing my lip color because it was just not working for me. So I'm just going to go back and add some NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Angel Food Cake. When I'm applying my lashes, I like to look down in a mirror and use tweezers. Tweezers just help give you better control when applying your lashes. Alright, my beautiful people, this is the completed look. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and make sure you turn those notifications on. I am hoping and planning on giving y'all some new content every week. I am a full-time cosmetologist working in a beauty salon, so I'm just trying to find time to put more content out there. I always wanted to get into the YouTube world, get my feet wet, and just give y'all what I have to offer. So again, if you like this look, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you again next week. Peace.